Hello, everybody.
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 Hello,
Just
everybody.
woke up. Excuse me.
Hello, everybody.
Excuse me.
Hello, everybody.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. I just woke up. I'm sorry.
Hello, everybody.
I'm sorry. Give me. Okay. I'm alive.
Forget about it.
Hey, forget about it.
Forget about it. I forgot to turn my face on.
Hey, forget about it.
Forget about it.
Forget about
Forget about it.
Forget about
Forget about it.
How's everyone doing? Good morning.
It's still stormy, huh?
Is it still storming?
Still winding.
Yeah, it's a little windy. Yeah, it does look windy.
It's windy.
It is windy. It is windy. I'm
If
looking
we
outside
disappear-
and the trees outside our place are blowing around. And they're pretty low to the ground. So the fact that they're moving means that the wind's got to be pretty strong.
Heckin' windy.
It's heckin' windy, everybody.
Heckin' windy.
I hope people elsewhere in the country are doing okay. Because I know that we're not going to get hit particularly strongly, are we? But other people might be.
We'll see.
We'll see. Okay.
We'll see.
I guess we will.
Big old storm.
Ooh,
Storm Eowyn.
Storm Aioli.
Eowyn.
I am just looking for some colour reference that I can use. Oh yeah, alright. I got hot chockey because we don't have milk for tea. So instead I'm hot chockeying.
Hot choco.
Hot chocolate.
But choco with milk is good.
The winds have reached 140 miles per hour in Ireland. Is Ireland getting it?
Where's your bird?
Where is my bird?
Where's your bird?
Bird.
Probably just here. Yeah, there you are.
I'm over here.
You're over there.
I'm over here.
You're over here.
I'm just standing over here.
Yeah.
I'm standing here.
I pushed you off screen.
Why did you do that?
So that you weren't a zombie while I was setting up. Yeah. There you go. Oh, hi there.
Ohio.
Ohio gozaimasu.
Ohio. Hi everyone. How's it going? I'm on Pinterest. I'm looking for some color reference. That's what I'm currently doing. Stop standing behind me like a weirdo.
I would never.
Hey!
I would never.
Don't push me into the wall. I'm gonna sit over here. It's gonna be good. Can't look for color reference when you keep pushing me around.
Don't know why that's doing that, but it is.
It passed over Ireland during the night through something like 75,000 houses without power. Oh, there's something like 75,000 houses without power this morning. Oh my gosh.
Oof.
That's so many.
That's all the houses in Ireland.
Well, yeah, you're not far off. Wow. That's wild.
Cool.
Hope people are doing okay. Don't mind me, I'm having sippies.
You melon. Oh, I didn't see the whole name. Welcome to our stream, everybody.
Welcome. Welcome.
Oh, hey, Melon. Oh, that's it. It'd be cool if when we go into the zoomed in view, the chat sort of came with us, maybe.
Yeah?
Yeah. I could do that.
You could do that.
Yeah. Hey, pal, bro, how's it going? How's it going,
hey, pal,
dude?
how's it going? How's it going, pal? Gumshoeing at you. I saw that Barry was playing Ace Attorney yesterday.
Oh,
which
wait.
means I have another Barry VOD to watch because they're my favourites.
Ace Attorney 6.
They're my absolute favourites. Was it Ace Attorney 6?
That's what his tweet said.
Oh. Super cool. I love it when Barry plays Ace Attorney. They're some of my favourite streams.
Does he have a good vibe with the whole justice system?
Yeah, I mean, you know Barry's super funny anyway.
Yeah.
Those games and him playing them is some of my favourite like comfort streams to watch. I love the Layton ones as well.
So I've had an idea.
Mm-hmm.
Martina pitched that every stream should be called something different, and I thought it might be cool if we titled our streams with Sonic lyrics or Sonic song titles. So
I mean,
today is Bird and Bear Gonna Reach for the Stars.
Okay, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
I do think you'll run out pretty fast though.
We could do like Bird and Bear in his world.
Yeah, Bird and Bear, it doesn't matter. I mean, I think there are probably better ways to choose a title of the stream, but you know, I'm not the one titling it. I'm not going to stop you.
What is the 22nd called Reach for the Stars? 'Cause I thought I chose not to do that.
Bird and Bear, undefeatable. That's good.
Yeah.
That's a good one. Hey,
So,
Leaf. I'm doing okay, thanks. I just woke up, so I'm pretty sleepy, pretty out of it. But you know, other than that, good. I'm half distracted from chat because I'm looking at color reference, trying to find something to use for today's piece. So I'm relying on Doig to read chat and chat back and forth with me and you guys. Hint, Doig.
What? Sorry, I'm reading chat.
Yeah, good.
10 random words from the first 20 messages each stream is what we title the stream. Could be fun. I have to title it before we start. Or that's just the title of the VOD. Open a playlist and go one line of lyrics at a time. Yeah, I figured it might help our SEO as well.
The first thing that Spotify recommends every day.
Are you playing D&D tonight?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, woo! I'm excited. More D&D.
Star Lotus, thank you. Appreciated. I'm gonna put it on the tree. Yeah, nice.
I'm excited. V's excited, which scares me. But I'm very excited.
You're still in downtime, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
The last session of downtime before the soiree. My guys, I'm so excited about the soiree. What's gonna happen?
Yeah, downtime. Everybody's
Yeah,
emotionally
it's been so relaxing
downtime.
so far. What's happened in our downtime so far? Talia happened in one of the downtimes. And then the next downtime, I think, was just like helping the doctor out and meeting the family.
Yeah.
So that was pretty downtime.
Yeah.
And then the next one was fucking Ash appearing. So, you know. Yeah.
You're so far away.
I can get closer.
Yeah, get closer.
Okay. I didn't think this colour reference would be so hard to find, to be honest.
Here we are.
I thought I would come across something that I liked very quickly. But I have not yet.
Tree's looking warm. Thank you. You try. Ritz has to be picked up at the fountain. That's true. Maybe picked up out of the fountain.
Pick him up.
Maybe picked up out of the fountain.
Mm-hmm.
You love catching our streams. Unfortunately, it's because you woke up due to food poisoning.
Oh no, I'm I'm so sorry. I hope you're doing all right.
It's Poison Swift.
I hope that you get over it real fast. I hope the barfing and the pooping happens and then you're just good. Which is the way that Mike and I usually experience it if we ever get it. It's just like, when you get it out, it's okay. Awful though, I'm so sorry. Leaf says, I hope it wasn't empanadas you ate. Yes. Yes, you did come into the conversation at a weird time. Hey, goat on a train, how's it going?
Did the goat ever get where it's going?
Wow. Yeah, you're making that joke now. It's been years.
It could be on the loop.
You suspect the pinatas weren't food safe. That's really good. Good job. That's good.
You laughing at me?
No.
So Swifty walked into the room yesterday and I was like, ah. And she's like, don't laugh at me. And so I smiled. She said, don't smile at me.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like,
yeah. Yeah, you heard what I said. I said what I said. And he kept smiling. Betrayed me.
I can't smile genuinely with this model. It's just always looked like a pain, kind of like.
Yeah, you've got the old man smile from the stock photos.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Or I'm devious.
I will ding dang well find color reference. You can't stop me, Pinterest.
Ding dang well. Is that a new search engine?
Ding dang well. I fell down a well.
We gotta ding dang it.
A lyricist I am not.
We need a new search engine. Google's gone. It's gone to shit.
Why? How come? What do you mean? Why do you keep saying that? The past couple of days you've mentioned Google and its search engine so much to me.
Because it's just all ads.
Is it?
And AI results and sponsored results. Give me the good stuff again.
Have you tried scrolling down?
Well, you shouldn't have to. You shouldn't have to.
I see.
We need a new search engine called Ding Dang, so you can ding dang stuff. Man, I need to ding dang find this.
Yeah, have you ding danged it?
Ding dang.
Okay, you know what?
Maybe even a little Walla Walla.
I'm just gonna. This will do. Is the answer.
Oh, wait. Where'd that Chromel go? Oh, here it is. India woke up. She was so excited. Today was her D&D game. Unfortunately, V was sick, but she had managed to find a replacement to host the game. Her chair swiveled and in it was Ken Penders.
Oh no, stop that!
He handed out India's Echidna character sheet.
You stop that!
He had already drawn India's character for her. It was Lara Sue.
I'd leave. Man.
India spent the next 3 hours being told the story of Lara Sue without being able to interject at any point. The end.
I would leave. That's it. It's over. I'm not staying and playing D&D with Ken Penders. I won't. I refuse.
What a weird person Pen Kenders is.
He is, yeah. In a way, I feel bad for him. In another way, I don't, because he's done it entirely to himself.
What's the guy who made The Room?
Johnny Wiseau?
Yeah, the Wiseau. Tommy Wiseau.
Tommy Wiseau.
Ken Penders is like the Tommy Wiseau of the Sonic fandom.
I think Tommy Wiseau is much more likable than Ken Penders, actually.
Possibly, but
there's an earnestness to Tommy Wiseau, I think.
Well, okay. I don't really know Pen Kenders that well. It just feels like the stuff he makes is bad.
It is, yes.
But he doesn't see it.
No.
And that's how I feel about Tommy Wiseau. Stuff he makes is bad, but he doesn't see it.
They have similarities. The difference is that Tommy Wiseau isn't trying to sue everyone and tell everyone that they've all stolen his ideas. And he's not still trying to do it like 20 years later.
I'm right in thinking that Knuckles was in the game before he was ever in the comics. How can he even possibly come even close to claiming any kind of ownership over a character that already existed?
He can't,
before?
Michael, that's the thing. What
a trip. You think Tommy knows at least some of his stuff is bad. Did you ever see Tommy Wiseau in the kind of game Let's Play slash like? It was like he had to play video game. He was forced to play video games because aliens. That exists.
It does exist. You see, I think that's kind of fun in a way.
You watched the first one of that. Yeah, me too.
It looks like it's also really bad, but the idea is fun.
Trapping a human to play video games, and the human is Tommy Wiseau.
Yes.
I've seen
I
a
can't
photo.
believe that exists. It's so wild to me that that's real.
I thought, was that a waxwork person, a version of Tommy Wiseau, or was he just sitting in a glass cage? It's almost as if he had to be put there so that he didn't interact with people.
I'm pretty sure it was a wax figure, dog.
Yeah, real guy glass caged himself for a meet.
Wait,
I mean, it makes more sense if it's during, COVID times.
It was real, and it was in a glass cage.
I got all of them.
Oh no, that's a nice color. That's a nice color. I want that one.
Ow! Ow!
Gentlemen, we've done it. We've found color reference.
Put this on the tree. Would you rather...
This is a bad version of the song.
Would you rather only communicate through drawing pictures or communicate through body language? Sign language is only to be used as last resort.
Body language, I think.
You'd rather communicate through body language.
Much faster.
That's true. I watched a film yesterday.
Yes.
It was a fucking knockoff of A Quiet Place called The Silence.
Ooh, yeah.
But they took a different tact with it. They made this weird group of people kind of zealots and a creepy reverend guy with a smile in it. They had to communicate with body language. That's why I bring it up.
Body language.
It was okay, but it was very clearly like, ooh, The Quiet Place was good. Let's make something like that.
Yeah, I gotcha.
Like deaf daughter protagonist.
Oh.
Type stuff.
That was really similar.
Yeah. Creatures that hunt by sound. Family trying to survive.
Now, you see, I have a 3D model of the curtain call.
Good for you.
Which is fantastic.
Yeah.
Potentially for a background. So I can not worry as much about the perspective. Let's be together. I take these panels off over the top.
Ask Jesse for details. I think this was only a few months ago. Okay. Ooh. Ooh.
Bless him. All right, everyone. I'm putting NDI on.
I got all these biddies.
I got all these Whoa! Wow! You really do have all those biddies,
It exploded on my head, dude.
Wow! Well, I guess, yeah, you have the crown this time. Yeah. This time.
You can have the worm, though.
Oh, well, thanks. Yay! Yay, my boy! My boy! Thank you. Pet the worm.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're telling me that you want your screen?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Your husband sneezes like that, does he?
Pachow.
Pachoo. Pachoo. Trying to hold it in. Whenever that I say for us to be together, you're my number one.
There it is.
Yay, bring it forward.
There you go.
Yay.
Yay.
So, if I select outside Kari.
Oh, look at you.
Look at me.
Look at you.
And then invert that. I can get a little base underneath Kari. You guys, I'm going to actually separate my layers this time. That's right, I'm learning. I've learned how to paint colours using one layer. Now I'm going to learn to paint colours using many layer. So that perspective looks okay to me.
I'm gonna.
Huh?
Yes, it does. It looks great.
Okay, good. I thought you were saying it doesn't look good.
No, people were going, "Oh my god, layers." I was like, "Oh my god."
Yeah. Oh my gosh, layers.
Oh my god.
And then you can see to the right here, I have my color reference. This is what I want to go for.
Ah.
So I'm gonna maybe take all the colors off the background and give it a little adjustment layer. Just to make it a bit easier to paint over without getting distracted by the colors already there.
Nightshade says, "Wait, is Dog not going to color your paintings?" Nope. God, I'd be dead if I'd been coloring all of the drawings that Swifty'd been doing.
Yeah. He would have no time for anything else. We have no time for all the other demands I make of him.
Oh, speaking of
other demands I've made of you.
Yeah, I need to open up Unity.
Okay, here we go. So let's just block in some very basic colors using this color reference. Whoop. Save. So they've got like a very strong shadow coming across here. So let's do a similar thing, but we'll use it to draw attention to Kari's face. So we can have the shadow go like this, and then have Kari's face not be in shadow. Let me temporarily put this on multiply, just so we can still see what we're painting through it. And then there's a really nice sky gradient I want to nab. I'll just do that now.
It's gonna look real cool.
It's gonna look real cool, guys. And smash those two together. Okay. And then the building's this beautiful orange colour. We shouldn't have the flags probably, because there'd be no reason for the curtain call to currently have flags. We could have old tattered ones, I guess, like really weather-worn ones. But they probably would have, it's been like 10 years, they probably wouldn't be there anymore.
I don't know.
You think they would?
Did you guys ever play the Shadow Generations DLC?
Yeah.
We barely got into the main part of Shadow Generations.
Yeah, but we did play it.
We played Shadow
Generations,
yeah, but we haven't played the DLC. Didn't know there was DLC. Wasn't it only out in like October or something?
Yeah, we started it, but we only did like one session playing it, so we need to play it again.
Yeah. Oh, you got it. Yeah, we got it.
Yeah, we do got a.
Listen, everybody, our goal for this year is that once we finish up
Current project?
Current project that we can be able to sustain ourselves and be able to have some time for personal projects and chilling and playing video games together.
Oh, that sounds so nice.
We're hoping that we can
go on.
We're hoping
you doing okay?
We're hoping that we can
make. You started so strong, and now you sound like you're loading.
Yeah, we're hoping that we can like get our Twitch being able to cover the majority of what we're doing. Subathons and evening streams could help a lot with growth. Collabs are key too. Yeah, so like being able to do stuff in the evenings would be real nice.
I'll be honest.
And I'm not sure I want to do a subathon.
Subathons scare me. Although I guess they scare me at the minute because I'm like, I don't have time to be glued to the computer for like 24 hours. Whereas I might have time to do that later. Like these little bits of other colours. But banger alert. Every time this song comes on, I'm like, oh!
It's on shuffle today as well.
Hell yeah.
It's not guaranteed.
Such a good song. A decision.
24/7 stream, even if it's just Martina or Kaz flying their ghosties around.
Aww.
Unfortunately, they're all in the same time zone as us, so that would be that would be unfair.
I'm very excited to have our first multiplayer stream.
Yes.
It's gonna be awesome. And then Razor's Edge.
Gary Linares 92. So Swift, did you cry like I did when Shadow first appeared in the Sonic 3 movie? I was trying to hold my tears.
When he first appeared, no, I was honestly more excited because I got to board that bit. So I was just like,
yeah, you got to see how it turned out.
Yeah, exactly. I was nervous more than anything. I was scared in case it didn't look good or I'd done a bad job or something, you know? Like I was going to look at what was on screen and be like, oh no, I fucked it up. So when it looked awesome, I was like, ah, yeah. Oasis in a singed land. Creating rivers in the desert.
I was so happy, and then the guitar string started playing and the waterworks began.
Yeah, oh, that was really the way they had Maria play Live and Learn on the guitar. That was so nice.
It's so good.
Oh my gosh, yeah. That got me emotional. I was like, it's the song. Well, actually, Mike was like, it's the song. And I was like, you're right. Keeps me going. I need purple. There we go.
They need to release the boards.
Release the boards!
They've started releasing like concept artwork and stuff.
They might be saving some of it for the DVD.
Maybe.
When the hope of new beginnings burned our feet, now we need it. Hey, I'm kind of worried about this whole fence situation, but I'll do my best. Do, 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 do.
Ernie, give us your pointers. Longer streams have diminishing returns. The only reason why subathons have an apparent effect is because you're hitting time slots to viewer groups you normally are not exposed to. That's true, yeah.
I think just having a week of like streams every day where we do something fun and new every day is like more appealing to me than doing like a subathon or something.
Yeah.
Oasis in a Singe land. So we need this little bit. Do 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 do. Oh, drop of water's all I need.
A day where you finish all your unfinished games. The unfinished game
the
subathon.
Unfinished game sub. Yes, that would be great though. Honestly, be great to be like, we're going to stream every day until we finish the games we started 2 years ago.
Or the subathon, we'll play for as long as the subathon's going, and while the subathon's going, we'll play unfinished games. Streamers are always looking for things to talk about. If Deutsche by night, make some art, hype it up, make other streams talk about it.
Make other streams talk about us. How would we do that? Ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum.
You test them by drawing the boy. You click this.
Mm.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, you drew Ritz! Ah!
Birdie.
He looks so good! What the hell?
What the hecky?
hell? Thank you! I'm so honoured. Ow! My man! My poor sad wet man! He's not gonna be sad tonight, I've decided. No matter what Lady V throws at me.
Looks to one of the most unique overlays. Yeah, good point, Swifty. Why would anyone talk about this channel?
I don't know. I don't know.
You're always like that. You're like, why would anybody want to like do X for this? Like, because they think it's cool.
I don't know. I think it's a fair question. I just mean like, if people aren't already talking about us, why would they start, you know?
You don't think people are you don't think people are talking about us?
Not as much as we'd probably like them to be.
Mm.
Aha, I got him there. Because I know that's how he feels. I gotcha. Da, 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 da.
India, do you know about Alpine Showtime?
No. What's Alpine Showtime? You love this rascal. Oh, Apple! Apple! I love him too. Thank you. Oh! Big Bad Secret Donna says, I should draw the Ritz. Please draw the Ritz. Please. It makes me so fucking happy. It makes me so happy. Oh.
All Rennie said is, well, there you fucking have it.
I don't know what that means.
I think it's just you didn't know about them.
Okay.
But Rennie does.
Should I go and check them out?
I don't know, maybe should you?
If you give you a ref image of Ritz, you can get to work. Oh. Are you in V's server? Because there's some ref images in there of him and it'll save me having to unshare my screen to traipse around my computer. You're not! I can't believe you're not! What? You've been missing out on all the amazing fan art that's happened so far. My goodness gracious! There's a whole channel for reference and there's like a whole channel for fan art and you can post it in there and we all yell about it. I'm assuming you can get to Lady V's Discord through her Twitch. I'm assuming she'll have it linked on there. They have a setup that looks like stop motion claymation. So if that's interesting, check them out. I will check them out.
I feel like I saw...
Stop motion freaks me out a little bit, but...
I saw a live 2D stop motion thing this morning or yesterday. They had a big controller in front of them and they were pressing buttons. Is that them?
Was it claymation-y?
Yeah.
That could well be them.
Alpine Showtime.
Never feel like miserable. Wee. Oh, so you do know them. Oh. I guess Doig does.
Yeah, I think this is who I saw.
I liked, Renee, when you gave a gift sub to Doig Swift the other day and then said fuck you or something. That was good. I was a fan of that.
You were... Or wasn't it Rani gifting us a sub to someone so I didn't get ads?
Yeah.
What, and that, yeah. But that's just me and Rani.
Yeah, I like it though. It's funny. Hey, Lovesick. Hello. How's it going? How are you?
How's it going?
I'm just doing a curtain call for this piece. I had a 3D model I'm painted over and I'm using this colour reference.
Ooh,
I've been
raid.
colour dropping because I'm lazy.
Hello, thanks for the raid. Welcome in, everybody.
Welcome!
It battle.
Battle! Commence battle!
Commence battle. I'm ready. I'm ready. Come at me, bro. Come at me. Critical hit. Nice. Hey, everybody. Welcome to the Dog and Swift channel. I'm Dog.
I'm Swift.
Together we are.
Doig and Swift.
This is our little raid battle mechanic. So the HP bar at the top is you guys' health bar. And we're firing cannon bombs at you. And hopefully reduce your HP to 0, but you won! Which means you get to hang out for a little bit. There you go.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job.
Means that chat has been destroyed.
Oh no. That's not meant to happen.
That's not meant to happen. Tis debug.
Tell us how your stream was and what you're up to.
It's okay, I have a fix. Boom. There we go. Bring you back here. I'm gonna write that bug down. See if I can fix it.
Just getting Clary's colours in now. We need some of this blue to pop a little bit. And that's why I'm going to have to start deviating from the colour reference, because it doesn't have any poppy blues in the colour reference. So we'll have to start making our own colour space.
We did VR chat, Marvel Rivals, and 7 Days to Die, and just chatting. Woof, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Did you do them all at the same time? That'd be kind of fun though, if you had a VR chat room, and then you were all playing Marvel Rivals together in there,
yeah,
watching
that would
on the
be
big
fun.
screen.
Dang straight.
I've never played VR chat. Have you? My memory's super terrible bad. Have you been here before? Do you guys need the tour? Hands up if you want a tour. Hands up if you want a tour.
Hands down if you don't.
You have rated before. Thank you very much.
Hands down if you hate tours.
It's fun every time. Okay. So as you can see, Swifty here is drawing on this screen here. But if I tap this button, we get a little 3D cam. We can run around. This is our tree. Don't worry, it's on fire. This is some jelly cats. This is a picture we can pick up and throw and stuff. That's your ship back there. This is our little chimney. We have a little room in here. This is our little breakfast nook. We got some donuts. We got some orange juice. Here's some toys. Here's a torch. Here's a bomb gun. Here's a camera. You can't really see what the camera can see because it's behind chat now, but I can take a picture. Let's go take a picture. Picture of Swifty. There we go. And then that gets sent to our Discord. Isn't that cool? And I can press this button. It turns the lights off. And yeah, that's pretty much it. How does the stream camera follow me so well? I use Cinemachine. It has a little bit of like lag to it. But also I make sure it only stays on like one side of me so that we're still presenting towards like one side of the ship. I can jump on here. Jump on one of these. It's all built in Unity. You love this. It's like streaming from inside a video game. Yeah. Kind of VR chat-ish. VR chat adjacent. You can also take control of the camera if you want. Yeah, I've got a free fly camera, so I can kind of do this. Or do this. Oh yeah, this is Sonic Worm. Don't worry about him.
Don't worry about him. He's harmless most of the time.
We're just airship floating in the sky. Our engine has stalled for some reason. That's not good. Here we go.
Okay, so I'm gonna imply city and background over here.
Looking great.
Thanks. There's a few little things we need to adjust because they're not working with my piece as well as they are on the reference piece. You know, we'll get there.
Gonna push Swift back more on screen a little bit. The engine's been off for a long time. Oops. Noodles, dog. I just had a thought. Marble Rivals on OBS in virtual 70 TD while chatting would be a riot. I don't know what 70 TD is. What is that?
What's 70 TD?
Or is that 7 days to die?
7 days to die.
Is that something else? 7 days to die. Okay. Let me read that again. Marble Rivals on OBS in 7 days to die while chatting. I don't know what 7 days to die is, so I can't picture the two things together, but it sounds cool. Yeah, we need to defrost. We need to defrost the engine.
So, I feel like the sky is too desaturated compared to the curtain call. Might also put some foreground trees and such in here. Ooh. I got a tree brush. Let's see if it works. See if it works. How good are you, tree brush? Prove yourself. Yeah, you're pretty good, actually. You know what? Colour me impressed.
Nice. A Scarlet Loaf. Yes, I finally made it to one of these streams. Congratulations. Hey. You're one of the treasured few.
The treasured few?
Yeah.
Wow. I run into the heat of day. See, I kind of want something like this.
Hell yeah.
Let me just take it off the building. Each and every
I'll keep it on the building. What are you talking about?
What?
On the building. What you talking about?
Keep it on the building.
Yeah.
Okay. I just wanted it on the sky, but okay.
Is it on a layer mode or is that on normal?
A layer mode. It's on normal.
Okay.
Like a man.
You don't have to keep it on the building. I'm just messing with you.
You're messing with me.
Yeah, I'm messing with you.
Why are you messing with me?
Why am I messing with you?
Yeah.
For the sheer enjoyment of life.
Don't mess with me, bro.
I watched have you ever seen the film Yes Man?
Yeah.
I watched that.
I mean, yes, man.
I watched that. I feel like I've maybe seen it before, but I couldn't remember it at all.
It's good. I like it.
Except for like small, tiny nuggets.
Okay. What did you think?
I thought it was really cool. Made me want to say yes to more things.
Yes, good. I think that's the point of it.
Yeah.
You say each and every one. And I live to rule by the sword. See, that's a little better. I can continue.
Playing a VR Bible game and playing Marble Rivals from the virtual desktop, also streaming and chatting on Twitch. That would be a massive test, but awesome. Ooh, if you were like inside of a like survival game, trying to play another video game, would be kind of fun. Have you watched any analog horror before? What's analog horror?
Aglow is pretty fun.
I like that.
What, the what I just did?
The one that's on now.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh. Alright, until the fight is done. So blind right now from our window.
Oh, I thought that was the cat doing that.
Now it's me. Okay, cool.
What am I working on? I'm making a list of all the bugs I just saw. I was changing up room manager stuff, and I think I've broken how that interacts with the raids. So when we come out of a raid, it doesn't reset to the room properly, and I think that's why chat's getting messed up. And you see how it sort of does one transition and then it does another transition. That's annoying. This looks like a still from the Ballad of Ennersfell animated series.
Aw, thank you.
Right? Yeah, it really does.
See, I am going to grab these and merge them all down into one. I should just check. No, I don't want to merge that one.
Hey,
merge these.
When Titmouse run out of Vox Machina to make, you just send them the art book.
Yeah.
You're like, hey, I've got something for you.
Okay, yeah, this is the one I want to merge down. I want to bring this down here and then merge it with this. And then I want to duplicate this.
Ah. Lava House.
Or normal. And then blur it. And then we're going to erase some of the blur. So it'll save us a bit of work detailing that far region. Blur it like this. And then I'll put a mask on it. And then I'll erase away closer to the cam. With a soft brush, not a hard brush.
Hey Maldron, thanks for answering that. What's going on with the present spinning it around? I might have missed that question.
And now let's zoom in and get Kari painted.
Very cool. Yeah, so the tree, each one of these presents is either a subscription or a gift subscription. It comes in as a little gift and we can put it on the tree. And then at the end of this month, something cool will happen.
Something cool will happen. What do you...
Hopefully.
What do you mean?
And the little yellow gems are from bits. So every bit bomb, every time someone throws in bits, throws in a bomb that explodes into bits, and then one of the bits is a yellow special gem, and that can go on the tree as well. And we did have it so that Kofi's and Pally things worked too, but Pally's website went down earlier this month, and I haven't.
Do you want to check that again now?
I haven't checked it.
Just see.
It works again.
Hey, it's back up. Awesome. So we have a Pally where if you donate, the money goes straight to the mods. It gets divided amongst them evenly.
Awesome.
So if you want to support the mods, it's a great way to do it.
Wow. Pirate Software is a featured creator on Pally GG website.
Wow, I didn't know that Pally even had featured creators. Pretty cool.
And one of the things I hadn't mentioned about the overlay is that it is a networked multiplayer. So if I remember to do it and send a join code
Wow. Okay, so I'm guessing you didn't do that.
I forgot. Okay.
Away
Then our mods have versions of the game that they can use to join and mess around in the environment with. Thor took a look at the Pally situation, and it turns out the Pally has been bought and the new owner is messing with stuff.
What do you
that
mean
sucks.
messing with stuff? Uh-oh. Doesn't sound good.
Automate join code.
Take away in my life.
Maybe you win. He no longer uses Pally.
How's he a featured creator then?
Because they haven't caught up with his sus, I guess. God damn it.
We're so behind on everything. I don't know what's happening on the internet anymore. Is Pally no longer trustworthy? Is there another service like Pally that does the same thing but is trustworthy? Because I want a way to support the mods. My life. Every time a company gets bought, it's bad news.
Right, yeah. Because the people with the original intentions are usually gone.
Normally, the only reason someone would buy a company is if they see it being able to be profitable for them, which means all the priorities immediately turn to money. Like, they don't even care what it does. All they care about is whether it makes money or not.
Yeah.
What?
It's either like a company is struggling and needs like what to kind of help it keep going, or a company is seen as being profitable and therefore some bigger fish buys it in order to make a profit from it. Hey Zabalbro!
Hey Balbro! How's it going? I mean, you were here earlier, but still.
So this little ghosty is Palbro.
Pal's in the house.
Pal is in the house.
I haven't been looking at chat, Pal. Tell me how you doing.
How you doing, Pal? You good?
Happy to ghost here.
Hey!
Yay. Work breaks over now, but we'll definitely join another time. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, please. That'd be nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so Thor is gonna make his own, but it might require a bit of time.
He's gonna make his own.
Yeah.
So it's probably not gonna make that public. It's probably gonna be inward facing.
Probably. I wish there was a store that did something like that, where you can have a bunch of creators put stuff on a store, and then depending on, like, it splits out the revenue to who kind of made the thing.
One of the things that we're really sad about is, like, there's so many people who've done amazing fan art that we'd love to, like, sell prints and stuff of. But we obviously can't do it because we want to make sure that whoever drew it is the one who gets paid, not us. We just want it to be, like, available in one place. But there are very, very few places well, there aren't any because I can't find any, where they allow you to give a percentage of profits to someone specific when something's bought. And it'd be great to be able to be like, hey, when this print is sold, please send the money to this PayPal account. And when this print is sold, please send the money to this PayPal account.
You think that exists?
I haven't seen any of the ones we've used. Like Squarespace definitely doesn't do it. And neither does Big Cartel. And neither does Fourth Wall. Neither does Imprint. These are all the ones that we're using so far. Neither does Printful. Oh.
Heard a cat from the other room.
I need like a dark brown. Give me one image.
BBBSD.
Huh?
Big Bad Secret.
I can't hear what you're saying.
I'm yawning.
I know, but you're also trying to talk to me at the same time.
Big Bad Secret of Darkness is I think leaving, so I was saying take care, goodbye.
See, Big Bad Secret Darkness.
Well done, Martini. You just cleared out both of us.
I hope you can get into V's server. If NSVol is something you're interested in.
Where did Swift even go? Back here. Can you bring Swift back on screen, please?
Me?
No, I'm talking to Martina.
Okay. Do.
You just got beach ball. Nice.
No, not beach ball.
No, it's good. There you go. There you go. Nice.
Whap!
So as you can see, Martina is trouble. And I've given her even more trouble powers for trouble. I'm just gonna go check what Kuma's yelling about.
Again. Did you figure it out?
He was in the bathroom. I assume
he
he's
was trapped.
No.
Okay.
But he was. I went to approach the bathroom and he ran out. He's a stingy boy who knows when he's doing something he's not meant to be. I think he was probably in the shower, pawing at the draining bit.
It's alive forever.
It tickles. It still works. It's just if I'm sitting. See, bye. Come for me.
All of the darkness.
Can you not keep there we go. Bye, Martina. Eventually, I want to be able to write my own character controller and be able to give us like cool stuff where we can sort of like run and slide and double jump and wall jump and all that cool stuff.
Sounds awesome. Oh yeah, dog.
Thank you. Yeah, I think it'd be really fun. Little platforming. Wall jump.
You just want to make a platform.
I do. I do. I want to make a platform. I want to make a Sonic adjacent 3D platformer and then make you the protagonist.
Uh-huh.
Called Swift.
Called Swift. Where'd you get the name?
Oh, it's a family name.
It's your family name.
It's not my family name. It's your family. It is our family name.
So you got my name from my name? Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
It's good.
Parkour.
Parkour.
And what if I added rail grinding?
What if you did that?
Yeah.
Then you'd be making Sonic Adventure 2, huh?
Yeah. Ooh, what if when people threw in bits, it was like rings from Sonic, but
No. Sorry, I have like an aversion to filling our overlay with just nods to other media.
Okay, but how is
throwing rings in a nod to other media?
That's not what I was saying. I was gonna say, like in Sonic, where they follow paths along like rail grinds and stuff. We could have bits that are along rail grinds.
Yeah, we could.
And then they get restocked. When people throw bits, and it restocks the rail grinds.
Yeah.
And then it encourages us to rail grind to collect them and fight each other with it. Battle.
You just want to turn this into a fighting game. You want to turn this into Smash with platforming.
Yes.
No. I mean, I support you.
People would think it was cool. I would think it was cool.
It is cool. It's very cool. It's no longer us streaming though. It's then just us playing a video game. I've been wrong before though.
You've been wrong before.
Yeah,
huh?
such as when you said let's go 3D. I said no, that's stupid.
You really did. From the off the
I've
bat.
had very strong, very wrong opinions frequently in my life. So, you know, if you really feel something in your bones, you should go for it.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Finally Friday night for real.
It is Friday night. Hey everybody. Well, it's Friday day, but you know. It's Friday. Happy Friday, everybody.
Pablo says I was wrong too. I was team 2D Swifty initially.
Yeah. I feel like I led you down the wrong path though. I feel like I was a 2D shepherd, you know?
Swifty is stuck to her guns though. Swifty was like, you can make us 3D, but I won't animate us.
Yeah.
And they have stuck to that
Of
ever
course.
since.
I meant it.
Yeah.
I refuse. I will not animate us. Stop asking me. Every now and then, Doig will be like, you could animate us doing this. And I'm like, I'm fucking not.
Yeah.
I will never.
Yep.
Stop asking.
And that's why our sit down animation is this.
Yeah. I mean, you could go and change it.
I could.
La 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 la. Do 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 do.
Can you make what the Y button does for me visible on stream?
Yes. Let me figure
What
out
does
why
the Y button do?
You'll see.
Okay. Wait, I think I know.
You think you know?
Secrets.
If it's what I think it is and you haven't made it visible to anyone, that's like a crime.
Got a network transform on the thing that I thought didn't have a network transform, so I'm not sure why it's not visible.
Is it networked?
I thought it would be.
Chat covers music pop-up.
Oh, chat covers the music pop-up. Oops.
Let's see. Music. Spotify. Where is Spotify? EG image slideshow, blah 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 blah. Chat infographics. Spotify now playing. Okay. Okay, now playing will go in the top right for now. There you go. Oh. I think because it animates, it's broken. Maybe? That didn't seem to work. Well, the last track was, I don't know what it was. I don't know if flipping back would...
It would, yeah.
Was it that?
Yeah.
Friday night?
No, that's not Friday night. Wait, it is?
Fuck you.
Fuck you! You know what, fair?
It's on random.
Yeah?
So maybe it was this one? Milky Way's boss fight.
I thought there was a track in between those
There
two.
might have been. I had to double click to get to from stopping to go to the start of Fight the Night.
Okay. So this might do. I just need the face paint on.
I can't pick up Sonic anymore.
Uh-oh. That's a bad sign.
What were you doing just before this?
Let me burn the boy.
Did you touch the tree?
Wait, I just tried to pick him up and where'd he go? Oh, you got him.
I can burn him now.
You can burn him
I can
now.
burn him now. Good for you.
I don't know where the burn zones are, whether they've moved with the tree or not. There you go, you found one. Takes a while, doesn't he? There you go.
Poor Sonic Worm. I'd defend him, but I'm like so close to finishing this piece. So close.
Now he's bacon.
Bacon.
I can.
Quick, everybody. He needs a sippy. If you throw a drink, we'll be able to rejuvenate him. Depending on where he is. Oh, here's one. Give him a sippy. There we go. We've rejuvenated him. There he is.
There we go.
I feel like I need to add like a little passive game for Martina to play while she's playing on stream.
How are you feeling about this, dog?
Background colors all great.
Something destructive, yes.
Is Carrie too dark for the lighting? I don't know if they are. I think they're good. I feel like her chin is getting a weird amount of light if her cheek is kind of rimlet like that.
Okay.
Aside from that, I think it's really, really good.
That instead?
If you give him a hot vapor bath, he becomes Sonic Worm. Like sauna worm.
Is that better?
Yeah, I think so. Would you call this piece done?
Yeah. I think
Nice.
so. I think I'd be happy with this being the background, and then we'll have the panels over the top.
I think that's really, really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then the only thing we need are these guys over the top. And, you know, I can give them this as the backing.
Yeah.
I've used a lot of shortcuts
Pretty
with
art.
this one. So, you know, I painted over a 3D image. I color dropped from color reference. I used a tree brush. So I'm glad it looks okay.
I mean, that's all good. Efficient. Ooh, Raid. Hey, welcome everybody. I think you're about to get super bombed because I saw Martina with the bomb gun. Yeah.
Where is Martina with the bomb gun?
Just inside their ship.
She's inside their ship. Oh my gosh, Martina. Wow, Martina. You really took care of that, huh? Wow. The difference between having Martina firing and not having Martina firing is like night and day.
Right?
Special Agent Martina.
Welcome in, Raiders.
How's it going? Also, we got a Chromel from Grasshopper. I don't know if you saw it.
I didn't see it.
Maybe a suggestion for a point redeem. Real cat. That someone's a picture of the kitties or something. I can use some more kitties in my life. Thank you for the Chromel, Grasshopper.
Maybe do that. Oh, that's it. Nice.
Yeah. So welcome, Raiders. What were you up to?
Welcome.
I've just finished this piece that you can see behind us. It's a piece based on a D&D session we had a couple of weeks ago. And yeah, I just finished doing it.
It's really cool.
Thanks. And I need to head off ski. Oh no, it's off screen. Yeah, we're playing again tonight over on Lady V's channel, twitch.tv/ladyvignette. And
Maybe I moved
it's really fun.
Maybe I moved the infographics by accident. Try that again.
Oh. Hey.
That'll do.
That's my guy. There he is. He's having a great time. Yeah. Hey, you're playing your first run of Skyrim. Oh my gosh, you've never played Skyrim.
It's
How have you been finding it?
Like, what, 13 years?
Yeah.
It's been like 13 years.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave you with Doig because I need to go.
Oh, okay, Swifty, goodbye.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay on top of your cannon, Bartina. So I'll just be here. See you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out.
Thanks, Swifty.
Yeah.
Great art.
Thanks.
I'm gonna put it up on the. I'm gonna put it up on the
Put it
wall.
on the bridge. I'm gonna go and post it into the D&D room so people can use it as color ref.
There we go.
Bye, everybody.
I might have to turn your screen off just for safety.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn it off too.
All right, screen is off. Oh my gosh. Haha. It's mine. Decoy. So as you can see, thanks for rating in. Our stream is a bit crazy. It's a 3D environment that's networked. So our mods can come in and hassle us. It's supposed to be come in and help us, but you know, you get what you get. Like Pablo's down here hiding in the snow. Martina's lurking below. It's been amazing watching Afro play Skyrim because they somehow don't know anything about it. Oh my gosh. No memes, no strats, just fresh experience, fresh off the prison cart, as it were. I do kind of want to make this a cannon that you can like run into and then get shot out the top. Need more toys. Make a list. Make a list of things you wish you could do or see in the overlay. And eventually...
The bird doesn't burn.
The bird doesn't burn. One of the things I want to add is different cannon bomb effects. So like we could have one that's like a freeze bomb, or one that sets us on fire, or one that makes us grow really big or smaller. Oh, and if we haven't mentioned it if you're new here and haven't seen this before, and with a song playing, Swifty worked on Sonic 3. Yep, it's true. Yep. That bird up there on the chimney. You know that part where Maria in the film? 50. How do I phrase it again? That part when Maria, pretty much. Oh yeah, the Sonic 3 movie specifically. Oh, it's a Glim. Nice. Okay, I think we're gonna have a quick look at the room management stuff. Or I could draw another slide. Kinda don't want to open clip on stream right now because it's full of secrets, so do a little code instead. Let me just get my screen. Your NDI is off, right? Okay, let me just... Cody window. Okay, so this is our room manager mirror script, which handles the way I have this VPO, this kind of stream setup is that there's distinct rooms. So the main deck is one room, the captain's cabin is another room, and that has a whole bunch of attributes assigned to it. And when we get raided, we end up in a raid room, for instance. And I was messing around with the room manager so that it would let networked players see that the room was changing. And eventually I want to have it that client players can see raids happening, because I think right now they maybe don't. So yeah, not properly, no. Yeah. I would like them to. Big issue with the raid cinematic is that in order when you add a network identity or transform to something, it automatically switches itself on. But the raid ship shouldn't be on the whole time. So I don't know if it's a case where I make the... Actually, that might work. If I have a network identity on the ship, but beneath that is all the visuals for the ship. And turn that on and off, but the actual object exists. That's what we should do, probably. Speaking of slides, I had a dream yesterday that you finished all of them, but not only that, you made it so when you give someone a shout out, their art would slide from under the screen, kind of like the D&D thingy. It looked really cool. That'd be really cool. That would be nice. Yeah, I like that. So I also have to grab the raid manager. Open that up. Okay. Room manager, raid manager. Okay, change raid state. So when we go into, when we boot up the stream, the raid state is inactive, which sets all of these properties. Basically just keeps it from doing anything. Okay, so we are making an RPC call here. Change to the main stack when the stream when the raid is inactive. You might not want to do that here. But yeah, thank you for taking my gremlins. I hope they treat you nice. Enjoy the rest of your nights, Beans. Thank you. Thanks so much for the raid, and thanks for sticking around. Oh, I hear wind. Okay. So we change room when we go back from a raid. I don't think we ever change room otherwise. But we should probably do that when we go into the battle. That might be called during the timeline of the battle though. Which means that that's probably old code. Yeah, let's see. Let's do a little search in the current document for room manager. Switch to raid room. RPC change room raid. Do we still have a raid room? Is a big question. That might be messing with us. We do have a raid room, so that's okay. don't know what the raid room camera is pointing at, to be honest. That might not be good. Are you headed out in that weather, Swifty? Where are you going? The store. Wait, big store or small store? Oh really? Can you get me stuff? Could I get a baguette? Filling for the baguette? And a drink, please. Everybody heard me ask Swifty for a drink, right? You didn't hear it.
We heard nothing.
Can I get an Yeah, yesterday Swifty went out and it was really nice. They got me a baguette. They didn't baguette about it. But you know what they did baguette about? The drink. The drink to go with it. I will never shut up about this. Where'd my bottle of water go? I'm kind of mad about that. Stop pretending that Swifty's telling me things. She was next to the microphone now. Okay, so I need to figure out whether it is actually trying to change to the raid room. This camera is wrong if so. But maybe we don't care about that. Maybe we only care about where it's positioning us. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Raid opening, raid small, raid battle, raid asset, battle cam. We probably want raid battle cam to be the actual raid one. Oh, it already is. I'm an idiot. The raid room is already pointed at the battle cam. That's fine. So we don't need a break cam in here. That's just confusing. Okay. You still have your Christmas decorations up. Yeah, we didn't get to really do the proper week Skrongomus game playing thing, so I figured we would use the set that I built throughout January, so it probably is going to go away at the end of this month. Let me see if the timeline Okay, this comes in. Switch to raid room. That is being called inside of the raid timeline. Cool. And that's being called here, about here. Okay. Why is that not working? One time only, raid happening or switch to raid room. Which is this. Called during the raid cinematic. Maybe I don't do an RPC call at all. Maybe I build this the same way I do grabbing stuff and use a sync var instead. So when the value of the current room changes, it changes it for everybody. Yeah, I think so. Yep. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Rather than do these RPC calls. If it's the host, prepare to change the room by string. You just do this. Move to networked room. Which means that prepare to change room by string just needs to change network room here. We need to change earlier. I think this would be more robust. It might just need to be unpicked a little bit. So in mirror networking, you have what is known as these sync variables or sync vars. And during a network play session, basically anytime this changes, it changes it for everyone. As long as you have server authority, when it's like you need server authority to change it. But once it's changed, it should be the same for everyone. So it's good for, like, say someone has HP and you're like, this is a synced variable, track this HP for this player, and every other client knows that it when it changes. But you can also call functions like hook on network room changed to to basically to do that. So it's going to do this. It's going to do this. So do I just need a... I just need something above all of this that actually changes the network room. Public void. Like change networked room. String room name. And then networked room equals room name. This should activate the hook on the function on the networked room sync bar to change the room for everyone. That work? Maybe. But maybe there's a couple of checks in here to check that is a valid So maybe we do a check a little bit here where if means key else debug log error room name invalid. You like my little crown? It's because I won the bit war between me and Swifty. So I think this needs to have what is it? It's server something something. It's probably in like holder. When it tries to grab, what's it called? Oh, this is old code. Command. Yes, it's command. I think it needs command in order to do this. Okay. So change network room. Then just changes the network room. Which means that we don't need to change it in here. Needed. We could also maybe take out some of the current room checks and stuff here because like if networked room equals room name, we could add a return here so that it just doesn't change the variable. X. We're not trying to go to the same room. Okay, I think that could work. You guys following me, or is this just like, oh yeah, he's making the code, yay? You want any additional explanation or anything, let me know. I'm just trying to think through the problem. Oh, he's making it do the cool things. Yeah. All right, change the network room. Should get triggered. Okay. Change network room is what we call from elsewhere. But then we need to make sure that elsewheres all have authority, I think. So let's do a requires authority equals false. Just to save ourselves some headaches a little bit. Your voice is just nice to have on in the background. It's soothing and you're passionate about it, so that's also nice. Aww. My voice is soothing. That is good. Did I luck out with one of those kind of ASMR-esque kind of just nice, nice voices? I always feel a little bad when you go on a stream and someone's voice is the kind of voice where you're like, this is fun, but I don't know if I can listen to this for a good long time. What does the command attribute do? So a command needs to call this from a client to run this function on the server. Make sure oh, maybe I don't need call this command from a client to. It allows the client to ask the server to do something, basically. But upon reading that, maybe I don't need this. Because it should only be the server that's asking for the network room to change. Sometimes it gets a little pernickety. When you try and do something that changes changes a sync bar. I mean, we'll keep it for now. You want to change this to change network room. Change network room to main deck. How would I test this? I guess I might have a. Thanks for the follow. Oh, it went black screen. Nice. If I have a debug here, we run a test raid. Boom. Oh, doing a small raid. Nice. Let's do a big raid. Number of raiders 4. Let's do 10. Right. All right. Pause it. Let's go check to see what our room manager is doing. Okay, so it thinks the network room is main deck for now. Suppose I can show you Unity, right? Yeah, here you go. So over here, over up here, network room is main deck. We're hoping that it changes to raid in a second. Yep, change to raid. So we're currently, the network room it thinks is raid. So for our network players, hopefully it should change to the raid battle cam for them. And then I'm hoping that when it finishes the raid, it will return this to main deck. What could be happening though is that it does it twice. It still thinks it's in the raid room and it returns to this camera. And then it changes to main deck. But we didn't get the second little, it didn't try and do the camera move there. If I, is good. Debug again. Test the raid. Still on main deck for the network room. We're on raid now, and then if I test, I get myself another inspector. Put that in here. And then lock this one. Pause it, get debug. And then test raid winning, I think. Oh, I wanted to test raid losing. Crap. That was working out though. Okay, test the raid again. Okay, we're in the raid room. Test losing. Going down. Still thinks we're in the raid network room. We're back to here. And we're on main deck. It doesn't do the second one. Aha! So either it's a either it's a bug that only happens in the build, or that code changed it and fixed it. We can find out if I make a new build for Monday. Happy times. Your stream is perfectly balanced. You bring the chill lounge and Swift brings the mosh pit together. It's a party. Nice. Got a storyteller voice. Oh, no. No, don't believe you. Okay, so we have to find all the mentions of prepare to change room by string, or at least all mentions of this one. If linked room. Yep, if linked room, this one needs to be change network room. Move to main deck. Change network room. Change room. Swish. Handle references. Move to room. Change network room. Okay, cool. Sparrow is being a stinky. Where are you? Happy? Can't tell. Scratching inbox, can't tell if used. Speed of sound. Bird and bear are rolling around. Yeah, I thought changing the name of our streams to like just each line of Sonic songs is pretty inspired. Because then it's different every day. But also, if people are searching for those lyrics at any point, they might stumble on our VODs. Right? Right? Also, we're commenting on how they're ridiculous. So... I didn't realize I'd actually used Reach for the Stars on the 22nd. I thought I'd opted out of using that. So, my bad. Love finding what I'm not looking for in a search. Hey, we're pretty Sonic pilled over here, though. I mean, the song is playing on the stream, although not in the VOD. It probably won't come up at the top of any big lists, you know, but they might get recommended. Yeah, Sonic here? Never. Never. Okay, let's make the join code automated when I press the F3 key. The first thing we do is we make a new webhook. We call it code sharer. And it goes into codes. We copy the webhook URL. Save changes. Okay, so we've got a code sharer webhook built into Discord. Then I go to probably the part in the code where we are sharing camera stuff. Image fetcher is probably the one. All right. Process the blah, blah, blah. Get texture, blah, blah, blah. Create the canvas, blah, 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 blah. Where's the camera thing? Maybe I don't do an image fetcher anymore. Where would I have put it? It must be in here. Process, grab texture, get texture, create canvas, enunciate. Okay, let's do a search for snapshot, because that's definitely what I was calling it. Snapshot. Snapshot taken. Find all references to this. Alright, maybe I don't do that then. Okay, do another snapshot, snapshot. Take screen cap. Here we are. Where are we? FreeFly camera? UI. Oh, it's in UI manager. Snapshot. Alright, capture screenshot. Boo-boo-doo-boo-boo-boo-boo. Post image. Here we are. Error sending to webhook. Okay. So we need to build another something like this. All right, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. Okay. I don't know if it needs to be an IE numerator, but we will make it that for now. Post join code to Discord. String URL, string code. Okay. So first off, check whether the URL is empty. I guess we need this probably. New form. Format the message into the correct JSON structure. Okay, so we need to pass uh, $50. Did you go to the big store? Oh, didn't take that as long as I thought that would. Or it did, and I'm just losing track of time. Okay, so we don't need all of this stuff. I don't think. Thank you. They still don't have any bacon, huh? Stores do this to me. The vendetta. Oh my gosh! Nectar from the gods! A drink.
Did you get me a drink, Swifty?
I did actually.
Did you get Martina a drink? Yeah. One of those is for one of the ones I have for me is for you, Martina. Come get it. I'll wait.
I want tap water.
You want tap water? Of course you do.
How about for me?
Dance.
Stop razzing me. Okay, so after this, we want
I'm Torsty.
post this request. And then this.
Don't eat the snow.
So this brackets this and this and this, then the code and then this. And this, and then we need to make sure that this is in quotes. Content, code, damn it. Oh, need that to be code. That's the thing, and then code goes inside of this. And then we have another quotes. And then we need this to be inside of quotes. But it's not because this is on the other side of it. Or this is on the other side of that, and then this is here. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay. So then we have start coroutine. Post this and code here, and then we pass in code string code and here we grab our webhook, I think. integrations, webhooks, code share, copy webhook URL. Right. Okay. Cool. String interpolation is a lot easier. I don't know what you mean by string interpolation, but I believe that you believe that that is true and that it could probably be. Okay, so then we have this post Discord image. What post? We want to call this post join code. Oh, that's the same. Post mods the join code. Okay. And then there's a part where I
can't join anymore. Sad face.
Can't join anymore. Kyle's still in here. Should still be networked. Maybe you're trying to join. I don't know then. Don't know why. Okay, so then we're looking for the point where I can hit F3 and it just posts the code to you guys. Now you should be able to join multiple times. I don't know why it's erroring out. It could be something to do with the fact that I ran a server on the laptop, but it shouldn't interfere. I'm running a different Steam user on this one. I don't know. So there's a point in the script where I can hit F3 and it's probably somewhere on here. FPC transport Steam script. Is it on my Steam script? No. It's on this because this is a custom version of this. All right, so at the top of here, I think. Or maybe it is Steam. Ah, yeah, here we are. Lobby ID 2-string. Yep. Stream manager dot instance dot UI manager dot post mods the join code lobby ID. Which means that I have to actively remember to push this button at the moment, but it means that every time I run it, you guys aren't getting spammed a code. Ooh, I wonder, maybe there's a way to check if I'm running the build. If I'm running a build on the Stream PC, then send you a join code. Anyway, it does it with F3 for now. Hopefully this works. We shall see. Content is probably wrong, though. You probably want to add it as the message instead. To be honest. I'd probably fuck that. So, okay. Username, avatar URL. Oh no, the message is that. Content is the message. Oh, grand. Alright, so if I hit play on this, and this is my F3 key, and I hit Steam host. So I'm hopefully hosting now. Paid no attention to the weird purple guy over here. Don't worry about it. If I hit F3 console and I check codes, I did not send it. Bugger. Now, is that because it's not actually running a Steam lobby? I don't think so. It should have copied the lobby ID. If I paste, nope, didn't copy the lobby ID when I did that. Did it actually, do I have to like click in maybe? Maybe I actually have to save what I was doing. Stream paused the moment that you tried to check the music. Sorry. Bad request. Error sending webhook. Bad request. Okay. Did I at least get the lobby code copied? Yes. Okay, so we confirmed there is a lobby code, but we're not sending the packet correctly. Or whatever. KK Zombie, thank you. I'm also ripping Prime sub whoopee. Love the chillest of streams here. Thank you. The cold, chilling refreshment of a drink procured by your Swift. It's good. Okay, so we don't have to encode the image data. We create a form. We create text. Unnecessary assignment of this. What does it do with text? Oh, add form, payload, JSON, add field. Here we go. Here we go. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Form. Done. Done. I wasn't adding anything to the form, and yet I was trying to send it. That's like someone that's like someone going to You go up to an admin and they're like, here, fill out this form, and you take the paper from them and then you just pass it back to them and they're like, but this doesn't have anything on it. And you're like, exactly. Don't be a hypocrite. All right, so we're in here. We press the F3 key. Error sending bad request. 1.1400 bad request. Are you sure? Are you sure though? Yeah, it's not sending it. Okay. Why? I can only think that it is the structure of this. Maybe it doesn't need the comma? You gotta go eep. Okay, thank you. Old Fox Meadow. Thank you. Please and work, thank you. Oh. Oh. Didn't give me an error. Hey, CodeShare app worked. There we go. Already sparkling. Wait, does that mean Martina's going to attempt to join? We'll see. I can't move around in this scene. But yes. There is already a player for this connection. There she goes. 4 attempts, but it works. There you go. Martina's in the laptop screen now. Didn't give me an error while ignoring the tens of exceptions is so real. There is no rigid body attached to the Snow Pusher game object, but the script is trying to access it. Oh, really? There shouldn't need to be the rigid body on that. Martina's in the Matrix now. Couldn't join this one, so joined the other one. The funny thing about this is that I can mess. I can mess with Martina in this scene. Where did she go? There they are. Wait. Martina, does this move you around? Oh no. Maybe they have authority. I think they have authority over their position. Yeah, they do. Lame. That includes scale? Yeah, it probably does. Okay. Well, that's cool. We got that working. Yeah, foolish of me, huh? Okay. Well, I think I've fixed the three things that were on my list. I'm gonna hit the delete key on Martina now. I have no idea what that will do.
Fuck you, Doi.
I guess that did something. Oh my gosh. All right.
Let's raid.
Yes, let's raid. Good plan. Who's live right now?
Debray.
Debray. Okay. I'm up for that. Let's go check out what Debray's up to. Yeah. Let's see.
I can't believe I'm deleted.
Get deleted, Martina. Got deleted.
Raid has been set up.
Thank you. Let's just make sure that I get this gift on the tree. Covered in all the void cats. Here we go. There we are. Nice. You're gonna make your own thumbnails now. Ah, imagine. It's not so unimaginable now that we've got the snapshot feature, because I can grab those. But yeah, thanks for joining us this morning.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I hope you've had a wonderful time, and I'll catch you all. What day is it? Why doesn't the clock tell me what day it is? I want to tell me. It should tell me the day. What day is it? See you Monday. Bye, everybody. May the rest of your day be filled with adventure. Bye-bye.
It's Friday.
Thanks, Martina. Right tag. Thanks very much, VOD Squad. Hope you've had a great week. And the password today is delete Martina.